Holly fern, Sertomium falcatum, is native to Asia and southern Africa. It performs quite nicely in zones 8 through 10, this one with a minimum temperature of 10 degrees Fahrenheit. It makes a fine 18 to 24 inch ground cover or container specimen. It will typically fail to thrive in wet or poorly drained sites. Holly fern prefers partial shade to deep shade. Try to avoid southern or western exposure. Holly fern is propagated from spores found on the undersurface of mature leaves, but it is usually planted or transplanted as 1 or 2 gallon plants. It prefers a loose, organic, slightly acid soil. Sertomium falcatum can usually be found at most well-stocked nurseries. Alternatively, you may be able to get a start from a friend, thinning out or dividing an existing clump of ferns. The combination of bright green color, coarse texture, striking form, and evergreen foliage makes this an ideal choice for that well-drained, shady spot in your landscape.